tutorial I will try to show you how to convert CAD files or DWG files into ArcGIS compatible feature classes or shapefile. To convert this in ArcGIS, we do have different methods. In this tutorial, I will try to show you the simplest and the shortest method to convert CAD files into ArcGIS compatible shape files. First of all, you have to create a folder in in either of the drives in catalog. In D drive, create your new folder with a file name CAD2 shapefile. Enter. Then in the folder create a new file geodatabase with a file name CAD. Then the next step is create a new future dataset. In the future dataset, the name will be CAD2 yes, yeah. So let's take this. Next, in this step or in this dialog box, you have to give the appropriate projected coordinate system or geographical coordinate system for your data. In this case, I will use Adindan zone 37. The data or the location is in Ethiopia, so the best coordinate system in this case is Adindan UTM zone 37. This is the local coordinate system, but for international you can use WGS 1987. So next, in this step you don't have any vertical coordinate system, so next, and use the default XY tolerance and finish. Now the next step is import the CAD file. Yeah, there are many files which will be imported from DWG file to CAD shapefile. So you can use single or multiple classes. For this case, I will use the future class multiple. Import future class multiple. Now locate the directory where the CAD file is saved. In my case, the CAD file is here. This is my CAD file. So as you can see, the file is in the form of DWG. Now you will have many future classes. You will have a polygon and polyline pointers and line and annotations and multi-patch. So you can import all the future classes, or you can import only polygon and the final border line map. So let me import two of these. Now add. Now the files are ready to be imported. So when you import these DWG files into the created file geodatabase, it will be converted into shapefile. So the next step is OK. It will start the conversion. It will take some time, so wait until the process is completed. When it completes the import or the conversion process, importing in this case means converting the files into shapefile. That is DWG Cad files will be imported or converted into a future class or a file that is compatible for ArcGIS. Now the process is running, so it will complete after some minutes. When it completes the imported or the converted files that is compatible for ArcGIS will be previewed in ArcMap window, so that you can edit the file by starting the editor. As we know, the Cad files mostly have a layout, so you have to remove the layouts. So in this case we'll do the same activity. So the next step is what you are going to do is after the process completed, we have to start editing and remove the layout and unnecessary files, and save our final result, so that it will be the final converted files. Now the process is completed. You will see the converted file. Now as you can see, this is the layout. So we have to remove this layout. So for this activity, you have to use editor. And start editing. Now here is the editor. Start editing. Start the polyline. Okay. Now use this symbol and click on the layout and right click and delete, and similarly click on this line and delete. Again, it is a polyline, so that delete. Again click and delete. Again click and delete. Now zoom the file. Now there is also a layout, so similar action will be done. Select the layout and right click and delete. Now the final shapefile will be saved. Click on edit and save edits. Now this is